Hello Wildcats, and welcome to our last awards assembly for the 22-23 school year. First, I'm going to start with character trait awards. The character trait awards are given to 2 students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited perseverance during the month of May. The recipients are always pursuing excellence and remain persistent even as the end of the school year is near and things have gotten tough. They are fantastic examples to their peers. Congratulations to our character award winners for the month of May. Coda Lancaster, Nyla Milburn, Zoe Angel, Logan Mastretta, Caleb Bird, Tommy Lash, Piper Deerdorf, Kiana Deerdorf, Bryson Miner, Devin Huckabee, Hadley Sexton, Roland Guzman, Brantley Payne, Robbie Kime, Gavin Gunnert, Henry Knox, Naomi Gaskins, Abby Davis, Aiden Pickens, Emily Moyers, Brantley Harrell, Tucker Bjorgum, Corbin Huff, Marley Courtney, Easton Spangler, Kenzie Widener, Richie Mallett, Grant Conruff, Colton Hess, Cooper Williams, Adeline Burkett, Maverick Doe, Kendall Avilas, Butch Heineman, Zachary Manchester, Dawson Babb, Yael Guillermo, Austin Miller, Aaron Brown, Brecklin Runyons, Liam Coltrane, and Braylon Roberts. Congratulations to our Character Trait Award winners for the month of May.
Hey Wildcats, we are here today for our final assembly of the year. We're going to announce our winners. So we'll start like we always do with our service above self, and we want to thank our Rotary Club for sponsoring this award. So this month's recipient is 3rd grader Genevieve Oldham. Congratulations to Genevieve. Next awards are Wildcats of the Month, and we definitely want to thank a huge thank you to our Harrisonville Police Department for sponsoring this award for the last couple years and giving out t-shirts and stuff for our students. So we really appreciate all that you guys do for our school. So we'll start with our 1st grade Wildcats of the Month, and those are Raylan Rogers and Wyatt Butler. And 2nd grade Wildcats of the Month are Layla Hickson and Everett Holbrook. And finally, our 3rd grade Wildcats of the Month are Henry Marshall and Kamani Daniels. Congratulations to all of our Wildcats of the Month, not just this month, but for our entire year. And finally, our Counselor Award. Mrs. Sumner and I always try to pick a class every month that demonstrates best behavior and great cooperation skills. And so this month's award goes to the 2nd grade class of Mrs. Holman. Congratulations, Mrs. Holman's class.
Hello, it's Ms. Shrout, and I'm here to announce the Mathematicians of the Month. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job with math over the past month. Whether in class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. Today, we are presenting awards to our May mathematicians. Zoe Beebe, Archer Barnes, Reagan Middleton, Waylon Hufford, Ray Linder, America Rodriguez, Haley Brown, Briar Warner, Bentley Johnson, Ashton Smith, Brogan Witherspoon, Persephone Woodford, Knox Trussell, Benny Leddington, Waylon Burnett, Teller Linville, Faith Malone, Alex Vanderecken, Gabe Leroy, and Harper Chenoweth. Great job, guys!
Hi Wildcats. Well, here we are, the final month of the school year, and I'm so excited to announce some people who have been working really hard in the music room. Our class award this month goes to Mrs. Knopfsinger's class. Congratulations. And then all of our individual music star awards. I'm going to start with the third grade students. So in Mrs. Brown's class, congratulations, Eris Shreve. In Mr. Barasco's class, Avery Carroll. In Mrs. Comfort's class, Emily Smading. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Wyatt Motzkus. In Miss Hassett-Geary's class, Briar Warner. In Mrs. Hawkins' class, Juliana Torres Garcia. In Mrs. Hopper's class, Ethan Larkham. And in the second grade classes, Mrs. Durnell's class, Callie Frost. Miss Harrigan's class, Alyssa O'Connor. Mrs. Hastings' class, Maggie Love. In Mrs. Holman's class, Miles Cummins. In Mrs. Knight's class, Leah Lake. In Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Caden Mandeville. In Mrs. Studley's class, Harmony Wallace. And then our first grade music stars. In Mrs. Brown's class, Kaylee Brown. In Mrs. Cooper's class, Avery Pirtle. In Mrs. Florence's class, Lily Osterloh. In Mrs. Jackson's class, Richie Mallett. In Ms. Maxwell's class, Lily Thomas. In Mrs. Mitchell's class, Stratton Warner. In Mrs. Peterson's class, Charlotte Griffey. And in Mrs. Snyder's class, Easton Anderson. Congratulations and good job.
Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mrs. Lawman, and I am giving the last library award for the school year. And as I look at the school year and looking at those classes that have done just a great job in getting books turned in, have had great behavior, have done an amazing job when it comes time to visit and share and give our thoughts about what we're doing in class, I have chosen Mrs. Gary's third grade class for the library award. Congratulations, and have enjoyed having you all in the library this year.
Hi HES, Coach Thorpe here. I'm going to announce our Sportsmanship Class Award winners and individual award winners for this month. Our class award goes to Miss Florence first grade class. Congratulations, guys. Our first graders are Scarlett Oldham and Jackson Parkhurst. Very good job. Second grade, we have Layla Hickson and Calvin Culpepper. Very good job this month. And third grade, we have Emily Moyers and Maverick Schlatzhauer. Congratulations.
Hi HES family, it's great to see you again. Last assembly, I went ahead and announced all of our award winners for May. So I want to again thank you to everyone that participated this year in art in the community and all the amazing classrooms that worked so hard in the art room. Today though, I want to give a special shout out to the Coloring Club members that I mentioned last month we were launching as an activity just to continue practicing your talents outside of art, doing extra coloring. Just like extra reading, we always improve our talents when we put extra time into them. For the Coloring Club, I want to congratulate the members Adeline Burkett, Gannon Dobnikar, Lakin Dunsmore Walker, Owen Smith, Lily Thomas from first grade. From second grade, William Jang, Lily Sharp, Lyrics Culver, Paisley Grass, Easton Darby, Elena Hunter, Chase Petchel, Cora Hawkins, Jackson Gregory, Caden Brown, and Jade Hendren. Thank you, second graders. And for third grade Coloring Club members, Addie Garrison, Savannah Carver, Abby Enderly, Matthew Inky, Keegan Coltrane. I appreciate everyone who has shown interest, and if you're wanting to be part of the club, just let me know and we'll get you a coloring page. Thanks so much. Have a great summer.
Hi Wildcats, as we end our awards ceremony for the end of this school year, I wanted to also take some time to congratulate our 4 building retirees. Congratulations to first grade teacher Kathy Jackson, second grade teacher Linda Durnell, special education teacher Jeannie Thomas, and school nurse Lois Milam for their retirement. We wish them the best in their future. Thank you ladies for all of your dedication to Harrisonville Elementary.